In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign account numbers in QuickBooks Online. Account numbers make your books cleaner, easier to search, and more consistent across reports. By the end, you'll have numbers turned on, visible, and ready to apply to each account in your chart of accounts. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner for the gear icon. Click that, then choose Account and Settings. This is where QuickBooks keeps all the behind-the-scenes preferences that control how your company file behaves. If you don't see this option, make sure you have the right permissions or are signed in as an admin. On the left side of the Account and Settings window, select the Advanced tab. This tab contains features that affect your accounting experience. Find the Chart of Accounts section and click it to edit. You'll see options related to numbering. Turn on account numbers and also check Show Account Numbers. Enabling the first option activates the field, and checking the second one ensures those numbers appear on your lists, forms, and reports. When you're done, click Save, then click Done to close the settings window. Now head to your chart of accounts. You can get there through the gear icon or from the bookkeeping menu, depending on your layout. You'll notice a new number column. This is where you can assign or edit the account number for each account. To add a number, open the drop-down next to an account, choose Edit, and enter the number in the number field. Save your changes and repeat for the rest of your accounts. A quick tip on numbering. Pick a logical structure you can grow with. Many businesses use ranges, such as 1,000s for assets, 2,000s for liabilities, 3,000s for equity, 4,000s for income, 5,000s for cost of goods sold, and 6,000s to 8,000s for expenses. Leave gaps between numbers, like 6,100, 6,200, 6,300, so you can insert new accounts later without renumbering everything. Keep sub-accounts near their parent by giving them related numbers. If you're moving from another accounting system, consider keeping your existing scheme for continuity. If you assign a number incorrectly, no problem, you can edit it later. Changing an account number doesn't alter your historical transactions. It simply updates how the account is labeled. And because you also chose Show Account Numbers, you'll see these numbers on lists and reports, which makes reconciling and reviewing data much faster. That's it. You turned on account numbers, made them visible, and learned how to add them to each account in your chart of accounts. This small setup step pays off with clearer reporting and a more organized ledger.